let's talk about my favorite makeup products for 2024. Now, all of these are not launched this year, only some of these are. But you know, they are the products that I discovered this year, not too many actually. One of these was actually a gift from YesTime. I won a giveaway from YesTime, surprisingly. I didn't even know I'd entered. Apparently, I liked their post, and that was it. This is the Isehan Super Waterproof Hero in Make Prime Liquid Eyeliner, which I really enjoyed using. It worked a treat. It's finally dried up. You know, whatever's inside has gone. So it is among my empties. I used it up entirely this year. You know, I mean, I didn't start it a previous year or anything. This came this year around June or July or so when I showed you the box. And yeah, I've been using it exclusively and it's finally dried up. Not bad. I really liked it. Didn't smudge. Was waterproof. I wouldn't call it insane super waterproof or anything because you know it does go away with micellar water. But yeah, decent. Will I repurchase? No, there are the you know, Essence waterproof eyeliner does a good job and costs, you know, is as cheap as chips in. We'll be going with Essence, but this was good to use, fun to use. This is a staple. I love the Grandiose mascara from Lancome. This and Hypnose Doll Eyes are the best mascaras ever. Also Essence Lash Princess false lashes. Essence Lash Princess, I think I like the waterproof version a bit more, just because it's waterproof. But you know, I can't afford Lancome all the time unless there's a major sale. So that's when I buy Essence. Staple mascaras going forward, nothing else will do. This has insane results, and I love that the wand is a bit, you know, zigzag. So you don't, you know, even if you're klutzy, you're not going to poke yourself in the corner of your eye or somewhere else, you know, up your nose or something with the mascara wand. You know, it's very klutz proof, klutz friendly. So I love Grandiose as a result. The viral Tear Mask Fit Red Cushion I have been loving this year. Not wearing it right now because not enough for filming. All right, but this is basically cushion foundations don't have insane coverage, people. They're light coverage at best. I love the packaging, very nice oval, very luxe kind of, you know, look at the hinges and everything. The shade that I have here is 27N Camel. My only slight gripe is that it oxidizes just a bit when you apply it. You know, around 10 to 15 minutes in, once it dries, it sort of gets a smidgen darker. So you might want to apply a lighter shade of compact powder on top, which sort of defeats the purpose of a lightweight, light coverage foundation or tint or cushion of the sort. I wish I'd got the shade 25. Should probably, you know, do that one day and see. Do I like this more than other cushions? Yes. Why? Shade range. Better shade range than pretty much all other cushion foundations I've seen. You know, Cosrx had a cushion foundation. I bought shade 27 there, and that shade 27 was a bit weird for me. You know, it was too pink on me. Not too pale, too pink. So other than that, you know, cushion foundations I haven't actually seen with so many different shades. They claim that it doesn't transfer on the mask. I don't know. I haven't worn it with a mask. So why did I buy shade 27? Because I'm shade 27 in the Purito Cica Clearing BB Cream as well. So I thought, you know, 27 should be fine. Should have gotten it for 25. But I do fear that it might be too pale for me. I don't know. It does oxidize, so we'll see. Yeah, I might try a sample of 25 and see. I think I have a sample somewhere. From Colourpop, back when they had free shipping, I bought 2 products. I bought the Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Tinted Moisturizer and Hyaluronic Hydrating Foundation. These oxidize as well. So I have the shades medium 9W. Yeah, medium 9W and medium 80W in the foundation, and both work perfectly for me. What I like so much about these is the finish. The finish is particularly this one. This is light coverage. Ignore. Light coverage is for those days when you don't need anything else. You just have a grocery run to do or something, weekly shop. This is it. Better coverage, this one. Medium coverage, people. And the foundation, the finish is absolutely flattering, I feel. It's very softening. Yeah, it's not mattifying, it's very dewy, but I feel that the finish is very softening and gentlifying to my skin, for want of a better term. Sorry, people, I can't think of any other way of putting it. Very gentlifying for me. Love this foundation. So not much here, by way of makeup. I wasn't actually going to buy that foundation, but I thought, why not try something from Colourpop? The only thing that I've tried before from Colourpop is a lippy sticks, and I thought it was too drying, and sort of you had to rub to get the colour to show up. So I was a huge fan of the lippy sticks. Other than that, I haven't actually tried anything from Colourpop. So because they had free shipping, I thought, why not try these and see. And I've been wanting slightly less coverage recently because I felt that too much coverage looks a bit much on me. I don't know if that's what you lot think. I mean, right now I am wearing MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation. NC38 is my shade. But because I wanted to try something lighter, I decided to buy those. And the Tia I've been meaning to try because it was viral. Other than that, I haven't actually bought much by way of makeup this year, have I? I'm very pleased, but next year I mean to buy even less, one tinted moisturizer and one foundation, or just the one product would have been enough. Maybe, hopefully next year I can buy even less. So what are the makeup products? Eyeshadows, foundation, mascara, eyeliner, whatever, not lipstick maybe, or even lipstick maybe. What are your favorite makeup products for this year? Please let me know in the comments below. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up, please do the subscribe button, please do ring the notifications bell, and I'll speak to you soon.